want to show you what the amp draw is with my bike starting. And this is engine is cold, the oil is cold. So I'll take a look. Get it to focus on the thing. You hear it hanging up. Well, it's not too much of a draw. So what we're going to start out with is change the torque limiting gear in there. Of course, we got to take a bunch of stuff off to do that. Get the exhaust out of there, and then take that cover off, and then go from there. So next thing you'll see is probably with all the stuff taken off. So here we are. We got the exhaust off and the headers off, of course, and we'll have to take that cover off. Get the floorboard out of the way, and the next shot we'll have the cover off, at least hanging there, so we can access the gears. So here's the cover off. Now, why am I having it hang by the cord? Well, I unplugged the cord for the rectifier or alternator there. Not the rectifier, but the actual alternator. But there's a big mess of things in there to be able to unwind it, and I didn't want to take it all apart. So I just pull it off. I can access all the sealing areas. Here's the gears inside. See, this is a spring tension. I don't know if you can see that very well. But here's our gear down below. Here's our new one. So to pull this out, we'll just do this. Maybe. Gear off. Pin out. Set that down. And I slide this stupid thing out. There you go. There's apparently the monster there. Yeah. Move it up a little bit. Just put that back in. You can see there's a spot there for the oil up against the back of the gear. Two little grooves there. Let's go ahead and put the pin first. No. Thought I could do this with two hands. Oh, my stupid P-clamp here. Anyway. See. Put the tripod up here. So you can see. Got that there like that. And everything should be free. Should be moving that way. Should be good. Engaged. Crazy thing is, it doesn't look terrible. That's it. Now we put the cover back on. After we check, make sure it seals okay, and dry everything off. Alright, so cover's back on, the exhaust is bolted up. I don't have any of the shields on or the floorboard, but just out of curiosity, I want to see how it sounds when it starts. So going to move back over here, and everything in neutral. For everything to wake up. Okay. Well, here's a moment of truth. That sure sounded a lot better. Another try, verify, repair. Well, I think that was it. Alright, and I'll take the thing apart and we'll check that out at a later time. So here's the gear. There's the friction area going against that washer. You have these little copper washers here. And that's it. So something's binding in there. Probably clean it up and make it work. Crazy.